How to turn on the hidden stay awake to Google in Android and prevent it from locking on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here, click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down to End. Click on Developer option. You will see Developer option is not here. Click on About Phone. After click on About Phone, click on Software Information. After click on Software and Information, so you will see build number is here. So 7 times click on build number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and enter your phone pin. You will see developer option is enabled. Go back and you will see developer option is here. Click on developer option. You will see hidden stay awake to Google is here. If you want to turn on, so turn on this button. After turn on, stay awake, go back to home screen. So that's how you can turn on the hidden stay awake to Google in Android and prevent it from locking on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.